Mastering auto ISO on the Nikon Z8 is essential for photographers who often work in dynamic environments like weddings and events. These situations demand quick adjustments to changing light, making manual ISO control challenging. In this tutorial, you'll discover how to harness the power of auto ISO to achieve consistent exposures, maintain image quality, and stay focused on capturing important moments. We'll cover the key settings, practical tips, and advanced techniques to help you get the most out of your Nikon Z8 in fast-paced scenarios. To enable auto ISO on the Nikon Z8, start by pressing the menu button and navigating to the photo shooting menu. Scroll down to the ISO sensitivity settings and select it. Within this menu, you'll find the option to turn auto ISO sensitivity control on. Once enabled, the camera will automatically adjust the ISO setting in response to changing lighting conditions, helping you maintain proper exposure without manual adjustments. This feature is especially useful when shooting in environments where light levels fluctuate frequently. Choosing the right maximum ISO setting depends on how much image noise you find acceptable and the conditions in which you're shooting. In low-light environments, raising the ISO allows you to capture brighter images, but it also introduces more noise. If you prioritize image clarity, consider setting a lower maximum ISO and using a tripod or additional lighting when possible. However, if capturing the moment is more important than perfect image quality, a higher ISO may be necessary. Striking the right balance ensures your photos remain usable while adapting to challenging lighting situations. To prevent motion blur and ensure your photos remain sharp during fast-paced action, it's important to set an appropriate minimum shutter speed. In auto mode, many cameras allow you to specify a minimum shutter speed threshold, which helps the camera avoid using slower speeds that could introduce blur. For manual settings, choose a shutter speed of at least 1/500th of a second for most action shots, or even faster for very quick movements. Adjusting your shutter speed in this way helps freeze motion and maintain crisp, clear images. Always consider the speed of your subject and lighting conditions when selecting your settings. When using auto ISO with aperture priority mode, you set your desired aperture to control depth of field, while the camera automatically selects the shutter speed and ISO to achieve proper exposure. This approach is ideal for situations where lighting conditions change rapidly, allowing you to focus on composition and subject. In contrast, manual mode with auto ISO lets you choose both the aperture and shutter speed, giving you greater creative control over motion and depth, while the camera adjusts ISO to maintain correct exposure. The best mode depends on your shooting style. Aperture priority is well suited for fast-paced environments, while manual mode is preferred when you want full control over the look of your images. Consider your creative goals and the demands of the scene to decide which method works best for you. Integrating auto ISO into your photography workflow allows you to concentrate on composition and timing, rather than constantly adjusting exposure settings. By letting your camera automatically select the optimal ISO, you can react quickly to changing lighting conditions and unpredictable moments. To build confidence, start by setting reasonable minimum and maximum ISO limits to maintain image quality. Over time, you'll notice more consistent results, freeing you to focus on creativity and storytelling. With practice, auto ISO becomes a valuable tool for achieving stunning images in a wide range of environments. Mastering auto ISO on the Nikon Z8 offers photographers greater flexibility and control, allowing you to adapt seamlessly to changing lighting conditions. By understanding how to fine-tune these settings, you can achieve well-exposed images without missing critical moments. With practice, you'll find that auto ISO becomes an invaluable tool, helping you capture sharp, vibrant photos in any environment. Embrace the process of experimenting with these features to unlock the full potential of your camera and elevate your photography to new heights.